Pochkoy, anong masasabi mo sa mga members ng LGBTQ na hindi pa makapag-out?
Magandang tanong yan. Thank you kay Eds ng Antipolo City. No? So, ang masasabi ko dun sa mga hindi pa rin nag-out, hindi ko kayo masisisi. There are a lot of factors kung bakit hindi pa makapag-out yung mga members of the LGBTQ. First is, there's a lot of shame going on, and that itself is one of the main reason na iniiwasan natin na makita talaga ng ibang mga tao kung ano yung ating mga gender preference and whatnot. You know, shaming, blaming, and criticizing, these are the things na iniiwasan natin. And it hurts. Words hurts, words cut. Anong mapapayo ko sa kanila? So first of all, keep an open mind. If we want to accept other people, or if we want other people to accept us, first is we have to be ready to accept what other people's opinions, beliefs, yung kanilang mga principles in life as well, 'di ba? Unconditional positive regard is a two-way street. If we want unconditional acceptance, we should be ready to give unconditional acceptance to other people as well. Set good boundaries sa atin. You don't get to apologize for who you are or who you fall in love with or who you choose to have a relationship with. Ang pinaka-importante dito is you know yourself and you alam mo yung mga bagay na that could hurt you and that could help you. So you have to impose those boundaries. Next, you have to have the courage to let yourself be seen, not for your gender identity but for the kind of person that you are. Mabuti kang tao, wala kang inaagrabyado. Ayan. So, you have to learn your values in such a way that whatever people may say, as long as you keep the values true to yourself, 'di ba? Nagkakaroon ka ng avenue to be the person that you really want. Ayan. Authenticity versus connection, that's my next point. You know, some people or not everybody will like you. Not everybody will be there for you. But those who will stay, those are your kind of people. So, for those who are seeking help and for those who would want to have more support, please join our weekly support group meetings. Meron tayong Step Forward Trauma Support Group, Rainbow Space. Follow U-Drive Group for more.
Ako si Boy Dilara, ang iyong Certified Trauma and Resilience Life Coach. Kung nais ninyong magtanong o may mga hinanaing kayo na gusto ninyong sagutin in a trauma-informed way, mag-comment lang kayo.